With the gateway function, you can access an OcuAir network without having to be nearby, so without having a Bluetooth connection between the device and the luminaire. For example, you can control your luminaires at home from the office. To do this, you need a device that works as a so-called gateway and communicates via Bluetooth with the luminaires and via the cloud, the internet, with the device of the user. The gateway can be an OcuAir-enabled tablet or smartphone that you can always leave at home. This device must always be connected to the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth must be activated, and the OcuAir app must be open on the device. In addition, it has to always have power. The network to be controlled by the gateway must be shared, that is, set up with the sharing option Open, Password Protected, or Administrator. You can learn how to do that in another tutorial. In the OcuAir app, you can now activate the gateway function. To do this, choose More in your network, then Network Setup, and then select the function Gateway and slide the slider here. Now you can control the luminaires of the network with another device that is not connected to the network via Bluetooth. The connection via the gateway you can see by this little cloud in front of the network name that has appeared instead of the usual circle.